How to redeem Domino's gift card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Domino's gift card online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can redeem a Domino's gift card while completing a purchase on the company's website or app. Here's how to order Domino's pizza items online with a gift card. Step 1. Log in into your Domino's Pizza account. Next, select items for your order. Next, click on your cart to check out and add your delivery or pickup instructions. Now, proceed to order. Also, click on Yes, I have a Domino's gift card or promotional card on the payment screen. Now, enter your gift card code as prompted and finally tap on the Apply Card button, and with this, your gift card value should be deducted from the total value of your order. So, this is how you can redeem Domino's gift card online. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.